Well, good day, ladies and germs. As you can see, we're quite a bit into this project, this build project. I got the motor put in, I got the tilt hood somewhat together and in place. So the hood tilts, the fenders are cut to size, and these are just donor fenders. They're not going to be the fenders that are going to go on it. It's just to get it so it's placed squared up. So when I open and close the hood, there isn't going to be any hiccups. The inner fenders have been done and painted. The outside hood has just been placed and put on it. It's pretty square, the hood is, so we don't have a whole lot of work to do to it. And then what we did now is we just scuffed all of the cab, and what you use is a scuff pad, because it's not rusted out too bad, and you just take the shine off it is what you're doing. So it looks really, really dull, and that'll let the paint stick to it. We're first going to spray a primer sealer on it to seal the metal, the body, and the paint. They're going to seal that in a case of finished primer. And then after we get done with that, then we build up the color and everything else on it. So there's a couple of spots that need a little attention with the rust. We did some body work on the panels with some filler, mud, plastic filler, and that straightened out some dents that were on it. We also use what's called a Spitznagel to get some of the dents out, and that's this tool right here, where you plug it in. If there's going to be a dent right here, you have to grind that all off until it's metal to metal. You put your rivet in, you pull it, you hit that for 2 seconds, pull it off, and you use a slide hammer to straighten it out. And there weren't very many dents on this cab, so I didn't have to use that much. There are some on the fenders that I'm going to use. Here are the fenders that are going to be put in place when it's done, and they have not been worked on yet at all. So you can see that I marked where the bad spots are that are obvious. A couple little holes. Get those straightened out first, and then go ahead and shoot it, seal it, and build it up. These might have to be sandblasted on the inside too, because we've got a lot of rust going on. We want to get rid of the surface rust. Take all this down and spray it with Rhino liner or something to protect it so the rocks and stuff don't hit it. We'll get to that part later. Fade to black.